Hello, everyone. Good morning, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to our channel.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you here. Thank you for joining us today.
My name is Jake, and this is my friend Ale.
Hello, I'm Ale. We are here to help you learn English in a simple and easy way.
If you feel shy to speak English, don't worry,
If you make mistakes, it's okay.
because mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, the more you practice, the better you become.
On this channel, you will learn daily English conversations
Simple words with meaning.
and how to speak English confidently.
We use easy words, real-life situations, and natural conversations.
Our goal is to help you speak English without fear.
And to make learning English fun and interesting.
So, if you want to improve your English,
Make sure to watch our videos regularly.
practice with us every day.
Speak with us, repeat after us, and enjoy learning.
Don't forget to like
Share with your friends.
and subscribe to our channel.
Let's start this journey together.
Are you ready? Let's learn English.
Hey, Allie.
Hey, Jake, you look like you're thinking about something.
Yes, I am confused again.
Oh no, what is it this time?
Between and among. I don't understand the difference.
Ah, that's a very common confusion. Don't worry, I'll help you.
Really? Because I see both words everywhere.
Yes, and they look similar, but they are used differently.
Okay. Tell me in a simple way.
Sure, use between when you talk about two things.
Only two?
Yes, mostly two. Example, the ball is between Jake and Ali.
Oh, so just two people.
Exactly.
That sounds easy.
Yes, now listen carefully. Use among when you talk about more than two things.
More than two?
Yes. Example, she shared the chocolates among her friends.
So many friends, not just two.
Correct.
Oh, wow. Now I understand a little.
Good. Let's practice more.
Okay. The secret is between you and me.
Perfect. Only two people. Now I try. The teacher distributed books among the students.
That means many students.
Yes, very good.
This is actually simple. Why did I feel confused before?
Because sometimes people overthink.
Yes, that's me. But wait, sometimes I see between used for more than two people.
Good question.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes we use between when we talk about individual relationships.
I don't understand.
Okay, simple example. Talk between the three friends was private.
So three people, but still between.
Yes, because we are thinking about each person separately.
Oh, that is a little tricky.
Yes, but for beginners, just remember, between equals two, among equals more than two.
That helps a lot.
Good.
Let's practice again.
Yes.
The money is divided between two people.
Correct. The money is divided among 5 people.
Correct again. I feel happy now
Why?
because I understand something new.
That's a great feeling.
Learning English slowly is actually fun.
Yes, if you learn step by step, it becomes easy.
Sometimes I feel scared of grammar.
Don't be scared. Grammar can be simple if you learn like this.
Yeah, talking like this helps more than reading books.
Exactly. Conversation is the best way.
I want to speak English confidently one day.
You will. Just keep practicing.
Even if I make mistakes?
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
I will remember that.
Good.
Okay, one last question.
Ask.
Can I say, I am sitting among two friends?
No, that is wrong.
Why?
Because it's only 2 people. So you should say, I am sitting between 2 friends.
Oh, yes. And if there are many friends?
Then say, I am sitting among my friends.
Perfect. Now it is very clear.
I'm happy.
Thank you for teaching me.
Always welcome.
You make learning easy.
And you make learning fun.
Let's keep practicing every day.
Yes, that's the key.
Small steps every day.
Big improvement over time.
Yeah, that sentence really stays in my mind. Big improvement over time. It sounds simple, but it feels powerful.
It is powerful because it reminds us that we don't need to be perfect today.
True. Sometimes I want fast results. I want to speak perfect English quickly.
Everyone wants that, but real growth takes time.
Yeah, like learning step by step.
Exactly. Step by step, day by day, small progress becomes big success.
You know, before, I used to compare myself with others.
That can be stressful.
Yes, I would think, why is he speaking better than me?
That's normal, but not helpful.
Yeah, now I try to focus on myself.
That's the best way. Your journey is your own.
Sometimes I still feel slow.
Slow is okay. Stopping is the problem.
That's a strong line.
Yes, even slow progress is still progress.
Do you think I'm improving?
Of course, I can see it clearly.
Really?
Yes, your sentences are better now. You speak more confidently.
That makes me happy.
And you are not afraid like before.
Yes, before I was scared to speak.
And now?
Now I try, even if I make mistakes.
That's a big improvement.
I think talking daily helps a lot.
Yes, conversation is very important.
Books are useful, but speaking is different.
Exactly. Speaking makes you active.
Sometimes I talk to myself in English.
That's actually a great method.
Really? I thought it was strange.
No, it's very helpful.
I say things like, "What am I doing?" or "Where am I going?"
That's perfect practice.
It helps me think in English.
Yes, and thinking in English is very important.
Before, I used to translate everything.
That takes time.
Yes. Now I try to think directly in English.
That's a big step forward.
Learning English is like training your brain.
Exactly. You are building a new habit.
At first, it feels hard,
But later, it becomes natural.
like riding a bicycle.
Yes, at first you fall.
And then you learn balance.
And after that, it becomes easy.
I like that example.
Good. Always use simple examples to understand things.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, even if it's just 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, consistency is more important than time.
I usually wait for free time.
That's the problem. Don't wait. Just start.
You're right. Even small practice is better than nothing.
Exactly.
From today, I will practice daily,
That's a great decision.
even if I feel tired,
Just do a little.
even if I feel lazy.
Just start for 5 minutes.
That sounds easy.
Yes, make it easy, not hard.
You always make things simple.
Ha, I try.
Do you remember when I didn't understand between and among?
Yes,
Now I feel confident about it.
that's progress.
I think learning becomes fun when we understand things.
Yes, understanding removes fear.
Fear is a big problem for me.
What kind of fear?
Fear of speaking wrong English.
Let me tell you something.
Okay,
Nobody speaks perfect English all the time.
really?
Yes, even fluent speakers make mistakes.
That's surprising.
So don't worry about perfection. Focus on communication.
Communication. Yes, that's the goal.
If people understand you, that's success.
That makes sense. Sometimes I stop speaking because I don't know the correct word.
That happens.
What should I do then?
Use simple words. Explain in another way.
Oh, like using different words.
Yes.
That's smart.
Language is flexible. Use what you know.
I like that idea.
Good.
I think confidence is very important.
Yes, confidence changes everything.
When I feel confident, I speak more.
And when you speak more, you improve more.
So confidence and practice are connected.
Exactly.
You know, I feel proud of myself today
You should.
because I didn't give up,
That's the most important thing.
even when I felt confused.
You kept learning.
Yes,
That's real growth.
sometimes I wish I started earlier.
Don't think about the past.
Hmm,
Start now, that's enough.
you're right.
Today is the best day to start.
I will remember that.
Good.
Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love helping people learn.
You're really good at it.
Thank you.
You explain things in a simple way.
That's important for beginners.
Yes, simple is better.
Always keep things simple.
I think that's the secret to learning English.
Yes, simple words, daily practice, real conversation.
That's a perfect formula.
And don't forget, enjoy the process.
Yes, learning should be fun.
Exactly.
I feel very motivated now.
That's great.
I want to practice more.
Let's do it together.
Yes,
Every day, small conversation.
step by step.
Big improvement over time.
You said it again.
Because it's true.
Yes, now I really understand it.
Good.
Thank you for today.
Always welcome.
You helped me a lot.
I'm happy to hear that.
Let's continue tomorrow.
Yes, same time.
Deal.
Good night, Jake.
Good night, Allie.